Saturday. I don't even know what time it is. I kind of slept in a little bit. I'm guessing it's like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Another gorgeous day. Oh, it's going to be in the 80s for the next week though. So that's a bummer. But it's not going to be that 80 all day. So it's still springtime, but I feel like springtime is already over. We shall see how the weather goes, but it's really nice right now. So midday it'll be 80. So in the summertime it's like 80 first thing in the morning. Oh no, see that tree over there? That is the Norfolk pine. That is this little tree here that I need to plant. So that's what it's gonna look like when it gets big. I might do this as part of my cleaning because it's cleaning my yard, right? Getting rid of the weeds. I don't know if I want to do that. I might want to hire somebody. I think I said that before. Let's try this again. I think I'm ready today. Got my big girl panties on. Time to clean the kitchen. I'm going to do bathrooms. Just going to do one task today instead of a whole house refresh. One task. Bathrooms on Saturdays. I'm going to try it, see if it works. Okay, guys, so let me address something about this cleaning stuff. So, and I don't know why I'm addressing it, because this is for the, I want to say 1%, but it's actually 0.1%, because the rest of you subscribers, or even non-subscribers, are awesome. You build me up, you don't knock me down, you encourage me, you motivate me. Part of why I am here, or I don't know, where I'm at. Part of where I am at is 1, my thyroid medicine, 2, my husband, and 3, you guys. And, you know, my family too. I'll put them in there. So let me say, so this video series, and I'm sorry I'm shaking the camera. This video series, here, that's better lighting. This video series is me trying to figure out a routine and trying to get in the habit of cleaning more often, and so I can have the freedom to do some other things and not have it be weighing on me. This is not me doing Fly Lady, Clean Mama, or any other kind of routine and trying to show you what to do and trying to say you should do this and you should do that. That ain't what's happening here. This is me going through the process of trying to figure out what I want to do. So if you're looking for somebody to follow for a Fly Lady routine, that's not me. Go somewhere else. And maybe that's not what's happening here. Maybe you're just trying to get my goat. And hubby says, what'd you say, hubby?
You don't have any goats.
Hubby says, I don't have any goats, so move along. Good morning, guys. It is, hi, Cow Cow. You can't even see her. It's too dark. It is around 6:30 in the morning. And my back is hurting me. I need to get a new mattress. Hubby has agreed, so I'm going to do some research. You guys let me know, what kind of mattress do you have? If you have one of those online mattresses where they deliver it to your house, like Casper, Purple, all like that, what do you recommend? So yeah, we need a new mattress. It's probably like 10 years old or something like that. So, oh my god, it's gorgeous out here this morning. Yeah, you can see the moon up there. It's foggy. The sunrise. Maybe I'll go get hubby and we'll go watch the sunrise. I don't know, maybe we'll take a morning golf cart ride real quick, and then I'll get my day started. Today, my task is, I don't know. My task is I'm going to the beach. That's what I'm doing. My niece Cassie is here. She works for JetBlue. I mentioned that before, so she's has a few three-day break. So we're all going to the beach. Me and my sister and the kiddos and my nieces. And so I need to get some stuff done before that. I think I'm gonna, hubby asked, he needs his work clothes done. He requested I do that today, and I think I might do, you know, I'm gonna do my routine, make the bed, clean the kitchen. Actually, the kitchen's clean, and we ate out last night. Oh, not good. And I went to Panda Express, and yeah, hear the birds, and yeah, make the bed, clean the kitchen. The house is straight, and I really don't need anything. I don't know why I'm saying kitchen, because that doesn't need to be done. I just need to make the bed. That's it. The house is clean. Anyway, so, alright, I'm going to get started and see what the day brings. I was going to go to Aldi's on Friday, and y'all know I couldn't put my big girl panties on that day, so that never happened. So I'm doing it today, and it is 8:15. I can't read from there. I think it's around 8:15. I have never, ever, ever, I don't think, been to the grocery store this early. I'm kind of going to like it. So I don't think we need a full grocery run. So I'm just going to go pick up a few things. And I'm going to the beach. And I don't have anything to take to the beach with me. I need some grapes and, you know, some food to munch on. Some healthy food to munch on. Maybe some yogurt. I do have that. Strawberries. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to get to take to the beach. Hubby's going to hang out here at home. And it's just going to be us girls. So I'm going to do that. And then come home and straighten up the kitchen. Maybe hubby will unload the dishwasher for me.
Maybe.
He said maybe. So there's not really a whole lot to do there. And then, you know, I'll probably end up finishing up the laundry tonight. Or when I get back from the beach is what will happen. Alright, headed to Publix, not Aldi's. I might go to Aldi's. I don't know. Next week. We'll see. Okay, guys. I'm back from the Publix, and it is 9:30, and my sister just texted me. They're about ready to go to the beach, so I gotta get go. So let me show you real quick what I got. I know this is a cleaning video, but I don't want to bombard you with a whole bunch of videos, and I know you guys like my grocery haul. I am trying to reduce my bill, but that's for a whole nother video. I am doing that. So, I think I only spent $100 last week and $120 this week. So, good. But next week, I'll be going all these and stocking up. So, I really like this Espresso Califia Farms cold brew. I didn't buy any Starbucks packets, guys. Those little Starbucks packets I bought. But just, so this is the processed stuff that I bought on this side. I bought some gluten-free cheddar cheese things for the beach. This is ham for the cats for a treat. I thought this looked good. This boar's head is kind of expensive. Gourmets, and I needed some potassium. I'm actually feeling pretty bang froggy this morning. I've been a couple days without my potassium. Not good. So I bought some almond butter kind bars, and then the dark chocolate kind bars. I really like those. They're gluten-free. And I bought hubby some cereal. I'm going to mix the two. He likes chocolate cereal. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, but they didn't have what he likes the Nature Valley something chocolate, but they didn't have it. So I'm going to mix.
Good.
I'm gonna mix it with this Cassidian Farms and see what happens. So, and then I bought some ham and cheese because I do treat myself to a sandwich once a week with gluten bread, but it's that Dave's Color bread, which I still have some left in the fridge. I'm taking probably a sandwich to the beach. So I have Boar's Head Virginia ham and Boar's Head Baby Swiss. Love Baby Swiss. So I'm going to make a roasted chicken tonight for dinner. So I bought a chicken, and then there'll be leftovers. And then I bought some chicken legs, some chicken tenderloins for when I do taco, or I do chicken nachos. Husby does regular tacos. And bacon for breakfast. I'm going to cut it up in probably threes and put it in the freezer. And so that will be 3 weeks worth of bacon. I bought some lettuce. It was buy one, get one free. I bought some grapes. I bought 2 sweet potatoes. I do have veggies left in the refrigerator. Jalapenos, hubby's week's worth of jalapenos, a green pepper, a cucumber, some mushrooms, some tomatoes, some onions because we eat a ton, some bananas because I eat a banana every day, and lemons and limes for my water, and blueberries and strawberries, and that's it. And I do have meat still left in the freezer, so that's it. And I'm going to go get ready for the beach. And I'll finish up the laundry later, and just end the video after I finish the laundry later today. See ya, going to the beach. Guys, I have not used my beach bag in so long. I think it actually might be dusty. I haven't been to the beach in a long time. Okay guys, I am back from the beach. And I don't know what time it is. I want to say it's 2 o'clock, so I'm tired. That drive, 30-minute drive, just, you know, the sun shining on the windshield is making me drony. So, make me drowsy, whatever the word is. So, I'm going to go take a shower, and maybe that will wake me up. If not, I'm going to take a nap, and then do the rest of hubby's laundry, start dinner, and all that kind of stuff. So, alright, see you in a little bit. Okay, confession 1, I took a nap, but that's okay. Confession 2, I did not make the bed today because I was gonna wash the sheets, but I'm not now. It's too late. I gotta make dinner and all that stuff, so I will make the bed. I'm gonna go pop some chicken in the oven and finish up the laundry. Okay, bed is made. Hubby unloaded the dishwasher for me, so now I can load it. Okay, I straightened and organized this, so it's ready for maybe doing some food prepping tomorrow. Alright, I got about 38 minutes until the chicken's done. So the kitchen is all cleaned up. Everything's all clean, and now I'm going to go and fold and put away hubby's work clothes.